Good morning, Texans. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. And I have one announcement for you today, and that is the senior class wants you to know that the Mr. Texan contest is going to go digital. And so there will be an online version of Mr. Texan coming up. We don't have dates and times and all of the details just yet. We'll get those to you as soon as we have them. But look forward to the Mr. Texan contest coming to you, coming to a computer near you. And those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I hope you have a great Monday, a wonderful week, and just remember that I love you, I miss you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.